Hi, today I am going to show you how to create a multi-step form in Webflow. So here is the form which I have created using JavaScript. So it has a next button, so you can move on to next step in the form, and you can also go back like this. So let's do it in the Webflow. So I have already created a very simple sign up form. So what you have to do, you have to create divs, because every step will be a div which will have inputs inside the div. So if you want to create, let's say, 2 or 3 steps, you have to create 3 divs, and under those divs you have to put all the inputs and labels. So to do this, I will go and select a div and put it here, and then I will put the inputs inside this div. I go to the navigator and do this. Email and phone. Now I will go import. Okay. Now I will create a. I will put another div for the step 2. I think it will be here, or no, it will be outside. So I can now put the divs. Now I will put all the inputs in the second step. So here it is. Okay. And now I will create the last div. Go to the navigator, and I will put the labels and input inside the last div, which will be step 3. And I will also put this submit button inside this div. Okay. Now we have 3 divs. We will name them. We will apply the classes. So we can apply the JavaScript. So you have to apply a class name, form, step, and also, because this is the step 1, we will call it step 1. We will go to the second one. We will do the same, form, step, and this is the step 2, and this one is the step 3. Step 3. Okay, now We will also have to create two buttons because we have to go back and go next. So for that I will create two buttons. So I will name this as next. And then you can duplicate it, and then we can name it as back. But here we don't need this button because this is a step 1. Yes, this is a step 1. We don't need this. We just need a next button here, and we will put them we'll put these two buttons here. So I will name this as back, and this back button will also be in the third step because we have to go back in the last step. So copy and paste it here. And this back. Now we are almost done. We just have to apply the attributes or the classes. For this we will apply the back or previous step for the back button, and the for the next we will next step. Okay, previous step, and we also have to duplicate it here. Then we will put this here also because we need to go next in the step 1. We will make sure we are done. Okay, now this one has to go inside. Okay, now we are almost done. We just have to style this, but I will not do this for this video. You can do that when you are styling your form. So you have to go. I will provide the script and copy this script and paste it in the body section of your page. Okay, and you are done. So and click next. It is going next. When you click back, it is going back. You can also add a progress bar, but I won't do this here. So this is a perfect sign up form you can create in Webflow. Thanks.